What we're hearing yet another American killed while fighting for ISIS in Syria is from Minneapolis. A source telling Fox 9, Abdi Rahman Muhammad was killed fighting the same battle that Douglas McCain died in.
16-year-old Rama was a schoolgirl in Oslo only 2 weeks ago. But along with her 19-year-old sister Ugbad, she may now be in Syria. Their father, Juma Sadiq, believes they left home to join a jihadi group there.
What will not change is the agony and the pain and suffering of the parents.
I love my daughter. I can't just travel back to Norway without my daughter. I can't. I have to find her.
Yusra, I am your mom. I love you. You don't get trouble when you come back. Please, 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 we miss you. Come back. Please, Mom, look at me.